Our expert presents online CV. When candidates are asked to create their CV, mostly they are in a dilemma of what to write in a CV. If they find the answer of what to write, the next question arises is how to mention it. If you also are worried, stressed, and confused, then we are presenting you the easiest way to create your online modern CV with Hire Expert. Our expert provides a platform where candidate has to simply answer every field available in the form gradually by moving from one category to the other. In the example, candidate's first field, personal and professional category, and then move to the next one, that is qualification, and then proceeds further. In this way, his CV is ready with the preview option. What makes Hire Expert Online CV so special? It's an ATS-friendly CV. What is ATS-friendly CV and why is it required? In today's world, everything is automated. Even the CV search and shortlisting has gone automated. These tasks are now taken care by ATS, and only shortlisted CVs are scanned by the recruiter later. Our experts online CV convert the information to structured data, which can be easily read and understood by the bots. Improves candidate chances of getting shortlisted by ATS bots every time they scan your CV against matching job opening. Candidate can easily mention additional keywords for which your profile should be considered by the bots or recruiter while searching the candidate. Here's your ready CV with preview once you filled all the entire information. Now, the next confusion which hits the candidate is what should be the standard order of CV sections. Candidate now thinks whether he can change the chronological sequence of sections like work experience, qualification, personal profile, etc. Well, to surprise candidates, our expert facilitates them to customize the sequence as per their desire. Just drag and drop to move the sequences, and if ever required to go back to standard sequence, just they have to click on the reset button. Sometimes candidates worry to understand if their set sequence is also recruiter's preference or not. Well, if this is the situation, then candidate does not have to worry much, as Hire Expert offers recruiter to set their own viewing preference while reviewing the profile. You can see how recruiter changes the sequence and preview is changed. Another concern of the candidate is how to share CV with recruiter. If recruiter demand for a hard copy of CV, Hire Expert allows you to share online CV just by sharing a link. Best part of this link sharing is if candidate realizes he missed to update some section of his CV and already shared the CV link with the recruiter, then he or she can simply update the changes, and all those changes would be reflected in real time to the recruiter on the shared link. Normally, it happens candidates are in a confusion after sharing CV whether recruiter receives it or not. If received, if he or she has reviewed the profile or not. So Hire Expert offers complete CV report, which helps candidate understanding which recruiter viewed her profile, how much time is spent on her profile, and so on. Reasons to create online CV. Standard format and structured data, which is easy to process by ATS and CV parsers. User controls when to enable and disable. User controls the information to be shared and what not to be shared and for how long. User also controls to make it view only or allowed to download too. Standard HTML view is available on all devices without any third-party tool. All device compatible and doesn't need any extra software to view it. Small in size, as most of online CVs are, less than 10 KB. It's very quick to download and view. Single version with multiple views. All allow viewers will be able to see updated copy always. So happy candidates, happy recruiters to have HireXpert online CV.